The Melbury Bird Bath is a great choice to add both style and function to your garden or outdoor space. With a 10-inch diameter and 39-inch height, its freestanding design allows for easy placement in different areas. The lake blue finish with gold accents provides an elegant look that complements a variety of outdoor decors. It includes a convenient perch and feeder, making it a multifunctional option for attracting birds and enjoying their presence. The metal construction offers stability and reliable outdoor use. It is ideal for holding water or food, helping create a welcoming environment in your yard. Easy to assemble, its design is made to blend naturally into patios, terraces, or gardens. It's a practical choice for those looking to combine decoration and functionality in one piece.